Hello everyone, my name is Zhen Shi. Nice to meet you virtually. Today we are going to talk about the Module 1 assignment, the video portion. The name of my paper is Secondary Use of Routinely Collect Patient Data in a Clinical Trial and Evaluation of the Effects on Patient Recruitment and Data Acquisition. I think the objective of this task is to classify the paper into the right categories. That is one of the hardest points. There's 3 layers. The first layer is we need to decide this paper is experimental paper or based on observational research. I believe it is observational research because in the whole paper, the investigator does not have the direct control on the data or just to decide what kind of patient or what kind of data he would like to have the experiment on. And because of that, I classify these as observational. Then the second layer under observational, we need to understand it is descriptive or it's analytic. I believe it is descriptive because one of the slides mentioned that if it's descriptive, it is based on routinely collect data. And in the whole paper, it's always mentioned that even in the title say it's a routinely collect data. The second reason is if it is analytic, there has to be exposure between the exposure and also disease. There's no such content in the whole paper. And because of that, I believe it's descriptive. Then once we classify this as descriptive, we need to understand what are the right subcategories, right? There's 3 options: descriptive, cross-sectional, and ecologic. I use the elimination methodology. I believe it's not cross-sectional because there's no specific time or specific time point we are talking about during the whole paper. The second one is if it's ecologic, that means we are talking about a large population. However, in this whole paper, we are only talking about several hundred patients. It's really not a large population. The second point is what are the second key points, which is a hard point, is in the assignment, it's mentioned that there's other categories. However, there's no definition about what is other categories. So that's why it's really hard for me to say, is this paper, should I classify this paper into other categories or not? Thank you and have a great day.